Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. Good morning. We are in Rancho, Santa Fe, California, and this is Coffee and Cars. It's just a sort of impromptu thing. There's nothing really that official about it, but it's pretty well attended. There's my black vet there, and my buddy's SRT, and I'm going to show you some nice cars here. Let's look around. This is a 409 engine in this Impala. How long has it been since you saw a 409? Pretty nice, pretty clean. There's a nice M4 and a Lamborghini. Oh, 2002, I guess, 2002, not the year, but the model. See, he leaves his open. Yeah. 2002. Yeah, this car gets used on the track. Very nice. Yeah, Mclaren. I think I would lose those white letters across the top. I guess that's an older NSX, right? Shelby Gt500. Okay, so this is a memorial car to a bunch of guys who served, and let me see if I can get a good picture of all of it. That is very cool.
Yeah, these are all.
I'm assuming it's a Cobra replica. Although you might even see a real Cobra here at this Cars and Coffee. I'm not sure. How can you tell if that's a replica? Check out those rims. This is an Audi R10. Is it R10? R8?
No, this is a V10 in an R8.
Okay. Are they all V10s? There's the engine on this Audi. Yes, we have trucks. There's a Cobra that's been used. No plastic wrap on that. Look at that rear fender. I don't know if the owner's around here or not. That looks like a real damn Cobra. Track rash and all.
I like the rest of it.
That's a real one. Wow. Another Lamborghini. There's a car you go cruising in. GT2 RS and a Lambo. And that's kind of a nice looking Cayman, I think. I like that color actually. Not usually a red guy, but that one's not like victory red of a Corvette or anything. It's kind of a toned down red. White Mclaren. Nice. I like that interior. It's basic blacks, Alcantara, red accents, red stitching. There's a C7 ZR1. It's probably a 2017 or 2018 maybe. First Ferrari I've seen. I don't know what model that is. Help me out, guys and gals. Put it down in the comments. Oh, wait a minute. Portofino, I believe that is the model. Portofino? Yes, I think so. And I have no idea. Resvani? Fezvani? You decide what that first initial is. I don't know. Take your kids out to the desert and play. I think this is totally custom. It's on some kind of a chassis. I'm not sure the chassis is, the frame is custom, but I think this car is just totally custom. Maybe like one of a kind. Maybe.
They don't have the
Street legal. There's another Ferrari. I guess they're all parked in a certain part of the town square here. And a red one. Beginning to think that the Ferraris were underrepresented. That is a British TVR, and I took a test drive in one of those decades ago at some dealership in Rhode Island, and I actually, like an idiot, I grabbed second gear on an off-ramp and spun it around 180 degrees with the salesman from the dealership in the passenger side. So I drove back out the wrong way onto the freeway. I think it was Route 95, I'm not sure. I put the headlights on so that people could see I was coming the wrong way, and nothing got scratched. I didn't buy the car, but it was my fault for grabbing second gear and popping it out, and the car lost traction and spun around. This one is nice and clean. Here's a Mercedes SLS with the AMG package, or AMG is its own manufacturer, I guess. Luxury and performance blended together very nicely. The rear glass on the TVR. Well, I have to take a picture of this Triumph because the sun is hitting it just perfectly. This is going to come out nice. Looks like all original. There's a front-on shot of an Aston Martin. Nice black, nice clean black paint. I don't know. My Corvette might be as good as this. Nice GT3, 4-liter motor. Don't know if the color works for me. Corvette. And the Porsche. Another GT3. A lot of GT3s here. The Lotus.
I'm trying. My ADHD is kind of like dog.
A Datsun 280. I had a Datsun 260. There's a nice Bronco. Here's a nice triple black C6 Jaguar with wire wheels. This is a 2+2 type XKE. couple motorcycles. An older Porsche. Oh, that one's got a little toe ring for the track right in the middle underneath the spoiler. Doesn't look like it sees the track though. I think this is my friend's car. It's Lambo. I will have to ask him if he has a South Dakota plate on it. I had a Bronco 2 that my daughter drove, but this one is the nice one, the original Bronco. This is a nice clean one. Probably the original 302 type motor. There's a turbo Porsche. Historical vehicle. Oh, I guess this is an older one. Nice. Austin Cooper S. This is a delivery truck, I think, from back in the day. Lotus. Audi. Porsche, older. Very clean Jeep Cherokee. Cherokee Sport. And look at the headlights. I think you can see where he's going. The original headlights were probably marginal. Here's a little shot standing in the park around the center of town, walking the dog. Nice town center, Rancho Santa Fe. And 2 yeller Ferraris. And a Viper. Oh, first Viper we've seen. Let's go check that out. Oh, nice,
This lady could tell us what
nice shady spot for the Viper.
I'm right across from where you parked. I just came down the main.
Keeping us safe.
Yeah, 94. Well, it came with a soft top, and I just found it too claustrophobic. You know, and I thought it's such a pain to take
You
this
need the
off.
extra room. But when I drove it, I couldn't help but notice, because of my height,
Yeah.
the speedometer is so far in there, the tachometer, I couldn't see the whole top of the gauge. You know, I would see like 30 miles an hour, and then maybe over here 160. You know.
Yeah, the rear view mirror is really in my way.
Yeah.
Like of view.
Yeah.
You know, but and the thing I found is
This is a Jaguar, and it's an edition Winter Le Mans, and I think it says 51 to 53. Beautiful condition. See the telescoping steering wheel on that? Little key slot for the ignition. Little rear view mirror. Very British. At the front of that car. Now, is that style or is that style? I love that.
Beautiful.
And that's an old turbo. They call the whale tail, I believe.